going today, Paige?
To a
To the Harvest Festival. She buckles under pressure.
yeah.
Where are you going today, Mason? Okay. Oh, she takes forever. Look at her. She takes forever to get ready.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, buddy. Do you want to go see the other one? Hey. 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 Shayna, that whole time you was in the driver's seat, the cat was on the
Whoa, look at this one.
front. Whoa, this one's cool. Whoa. Here, ready? Look at this truck, Mason. Whoa. Oh. It's 3,000 miles. I think that's a water hookup, Paisley. Do you like it, babe? Yeah. Is it cool? Don't press the button. Don't press the button. Yeah. Vanilla right there. Pull that out. If you don't know right now, we are at the Corrales Harvest Festival, which is pretty awesome. Mason's living out his dreams right now. He is with the fire department, and maybe he can go see the police cars. Shayna, there's police cars over here. Maybe they can let him see them. Come here. So, Mason's pretty much living out his dream with fire trucks, and it's a cool little small town. Ex Nova Brewing, right there. That's actually a big company from Portland. Actually, not Portland, Eugene, I believe. They're doing well. Let's see if they have room. You think they'll have room, Paisley? Look at me. You think they'll have room? I don't think they do. Wait, maybe they do. Maybe they don't. Alright, let's go see. Let's go get on. She's making room. Getting some food. The Harvest Festival. What are we getting?
Green chili, bacon and cheese, hamburger, no bun.
Apparently, we're doing keto at this, and I can't have bread. So, it's very selective. Hamburger with no bun it is. So, there's a long wait to ride a tractor back to the car, so we just decided to walk it out.
Walk it out.
Don't start singing that.
What's that walking?
All right. This will be fun. Not.